we should not write 21.22 or 23 like this thing. It should be single digit after decimal. Whenever you are distributing portions. If you are distributing blood sugar or cholesterol, then you can go for the double digit after the decimal. But as a rule, whenever you are distributing the portion, please remember it should be single digit. You see, I've all kept single digit. Here. Another important point, unit, you should mention unit. Age in years. Though it is implied, it cannot be in months. But in spite of this thing, you have to specify that it is in years. Weight in kgs, BMI in kg per meter square. Number and percentage, you have to mention here. Another important thing, whenever you distribute this thing, there should be class intervals are there. This should be equal class interval, 20 to 24, 35 to 39, sorry, 24 to 34, 35 to 49. You see, everywhere the class intervals are more or less 9. So equal class intervals will be there. This is another dictum while you are making the table. Very common mistake, gross mistake. You go through the journals, articles. Most of it you will see it is not coming 100%. I am telling you. Either it is 100.1 or 99.9, 99.8. Please remember, please make it 100%. Whenever you are keeping it single digit after decimal, no? So you have to approximate. Either you have to go for 21.3 or 21.1. In that way, it should come 100%. You see, 2 plus 5 plus 2 plus this thing, 1, it is coming 100%. So most often, it is also evident from the published literature also. They have presented the table, this thing, it is not coming 100%. And last one is the statistical and p-value, if it is applicable. These are more or less the different requirements of the tables, and these are the different diagrams. I am not going into details. Discussion portion, the last portion I am coming, I am not taking much time. Discussion portion, what I told you in the introduction is the funnel shaped. In the discussion set, just the reverse, it is the reverse funnel shaped. Now, we are, what data we have got it from the tables. Now, we are generalizing it, extrapolating it to the study population. So that is why you see, objective wise compare results, limitation of your study, extend the finding. Here, you have to describe and compare your findings with the similar findings. So that is the discussion portion. Important funnel shaped. What I told you, the funnel shaped in the introduction, this is just the reverse. So from our study, small part, now we are extrapolating, generalizing the data to the greater population. Now the last portion, conclusion and recommendation. We have to make the principal finding, significance of the research work, protect, prospect and practical application of the finding, relevant recommendation, and further scope of the research. That we have to specify in the conclusion and recommendation. Now the last section of the title, the most neglected section, that is the reference writing. Sometimes we have seen the students, they have written, some students they have written references, some students they have written bibliography. What is the correct one in case of thesis? Please remember, bibliography is not the correct one in thesis. Listing all the materials that have consulted while writing an essay or a book. This is known as the bibliography. What is references? Where directly I have taken it. We cite it, 1, 2, this thing, this thing, this thing. So please remember references. So whenever thesis I will write, so many of them we have reviewed the thesis. It is written as bibliography. No, it should be written as references instead of bibliography. And you see references not directly included in the text, bibliography. The idea we have taken from many books, that is written in the bibliography. But references is directly included in the actual text. How bibliographies are written? They are written alphabetically. How they are written? They are written number-wise, either alphabetically or numeric style. Most commonly, what we use Vancouver style. I am just telling you one of the example of Vancouver style. You see, Sarkar, Sen S, Mondoles, Singh O.P., Chakraborty, Soikabi. So these are the name of the authors. First of all, whenever you write the article references, you first name all the authors like this fashion, followed by full stop. Next, you write down the title of the article. A study on sociodemographic characteristics of alcoholics attending Addiction Center of Bardhaman Medical College Hospital, West Bengal. So first one, name of all the authors like this thing, then followed by title of the article, followed by name of the journal, Indian Journal of Public Health or accepted abbreviated forms. In which year? 2013, March, January. This is known as the volume number, this is known as the issue number, and right last one, this is the page number. So this is the things that how to write the Vancouver style for a journal article. Sometimes it is written like this thing, Indian Journal Public Health 2013, January, March is not written. This is also accepted form. Volume number is written, issue number is not written, accepted form, but page numbers are written. This is how we should write the Vancouver style journal article. This is how to write the book. Editor of the book, name of the book, publisher, company, which year, page number. Right. So this is another thing. Online material. We have to write down the online material. Bell's list of preparatory publishers. In online material, two things are important. One is from which site you have got it, available from, and last one, last access from. These two things that is very important. This is Vancouver style. I am not going into details. APA style. I am not skipping this one. This is APA stands for American Psychological Association. Something different, but mostly with this thing. Appendices, these things are there. So with this figure, this is my last slide. Good robust study fails to keep its prestige to poor writing. Very good writing cannot mask a poorly conducted study. That is why I intentionally changed the topic from thesis protocol writing to the art and science of research. So with these things, thank you for your patience here.
Thank you, Indranil, for a very elaborate and lucid discussion on